Hey travellers, we arrived at Petra in the rain, so the candlelight session at the treasury got cancelled in the evening, but we went to Cape Petra to eat, drink, play cards before heading over to the entrance nice and early in the morning.
You think you've been to Petra? No. You haven't experienced the natural phenomenon of seeing Petra in a plastic bag.
Despite looking a bit silly, the rain didn't ruin the experience at all, and it's true what they say, the red tones in the sandstone come out even more. We got those important shots for social media as we walked into the UNESCO site before turning the corner and witnessing the famous image of the treasury peeking out the middle of the carved out entrance. On a side note guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help me to get the journal noticed. It's done so well already as a newbie, so I'm excited to see where we can go. We absolutely loved all the trails around Petra, and we were walking non-stop for 7 hours, which led us to some beautiful views, and finished off by heading to the monastery. And on the way back down, we grabbed a fresh orange and pomegranate juice to enjoy whilst overlooking Petra's canyons. I think one day was more than enough, but some people like to do 2 or 3. After the extra half an hour of walking back to the hostel, the feeling of taking off our boots was so amazing, and we relaxed before heading over to Petra kitchen for cooking class. This was so much fun. Our group had a very funny chef. We prepared a local lamb dish with potatoes for mains and lots of Arabic salads to accompany it. Our favourite was the mini cheese manakishes. Oh, what a dream. We were leaving Petra after 2 nights, but first a picture opportunity at the Petra sign, which came with a lovely view, followed by a stop at the second best view in Petra restaurant, which was ironically located right next to the best view in Petra restaurant. Not kidding, it was literally written on the side of the building. Anyway, thanks for watching today's diary entry. On to Body Rum.